I saw like all the lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like how I explained, it was like I really felt like I was drifting away. I was just like, as if it took over me a little bit. And then I was just trying to relax and just not to think about it. And then sometimes I got like a lot of thoughts and then it went away. It's almost like when you like meditate, right? When you try to not think about anything, you get a lot of thoughts and then you just be like, okay, just let it go. And then it's like, it makes space. I feel very, very relaxed now.
Yeah.
When I was there, I felt like sometimes I was a little bit conscious and then I would like drifted away and then it was like almost sleeping. It was, yeah, a very nice experience. Yeah, well, it was a very, very nice experience. I have to like see how it feels, you know, like, but it was just very, very relaxed.
Yeah.
And it was very, very nice. Yes, so definitely, yes.